Darcy. Oh,
Darcy, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Are you living in the UK or?
I'm not. No, I came here just for this.
How old are you, Darcy?
I'm 26.
And what got you into the acting and doing stuff?
When I was a kid, actually, I had hopes and dreams of becoming a doctor, but my parents insisted that I become a magician.
Look how this magician turned a bird into a girl. Wait till the end.
Na festa do fim de semana.